What up, Trusted Signals, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys missed out, inside of the Discord, there's a lot of hype going on right now about the automated trading solution. So I'm gonna bring you the information right here on YouTube. If you missed out, Trusted Signals has paid for 1,000 accounts, 1,000 lifetime memberships for the lifetime members. For what you say? For the automated trading solution co-partnership. That's right, this is a cross promotion that is happening right now. There is no more profit sharing. There is no more restrictions on broker. This is simply a cross promotion between two companies to bring you automated trading solutions. That's right, guys. You can even let people copy your automated trading robot. That means you could create your own robot. That means by creating your own robot, you could share it with friends and friends can copy those trades. Absolutely huge. And so far, Trusted Signals only has about 800 members or so. I think we have a little more now since this week. So this number is going to change every day. And once the 1,000 members hit, then that's it. No one else is going to have space to get a free account with the automated trading solution company that Trusted Signals is going to announce this week, guys. This week. Let's go. Super exciting. I myself, as an ambassador, have been waiting for this news, and I'm just waiting just like you guys. So let's go. Can't wait to see this happen. And this week, I'm going to get the information. I'm going to bring it to you right away. So the first people that's going to know is you guys, people of the tube. After me, of course, because I'm the one that's bringing you the information. But let's go. Automated trading solutions are going to be announced this week. So hurry up now before there's no more slots left, because the slots are filling up quick, and that's it. We're almost at 1,000. And after that, if you want to use automated trading solutions, then you're just going to have to pay for a membership on the cross promotion website. Super huge. No more profit sharing. It's all your own robot and your own profits. Let's go. Let's go. Oh wait, and I forgot to say, you could still copy the trades of the Trusted Signals Gold robot. Let's go.